your throat narrows. When you sleep, the muscles of your throat relax, therefore its size decreases. This is one of the reasons you snore. Although there are other contributing factors, for example nasal obstruction, throat tightening has a lot to do with the annoying noises that some people make when they sleep. You grind your teeth. This phenomenon is called bruxism. It doesn't happen to everyone, but some people wake up with a strong jaw pain after grinding their teeth at night. Bruxism might occur as a result of a misaligned jaw,